Dito tayo sa Ideal Cafe. It's December 9, 2024. Kasama pa rin natin yung mga kaibigan natin. Erwin? Erwin? Si Angela. Angela, Ben.
Hello everyone. Currently, we're going to have our breakfast. Brunch. Ooh. Looks super duper yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Ayos na natin yung breakfast niya mamaya. So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung breakfast nila. Mag-almusal muna kami. Kasi kahapon, Christmas party ng Canadian Tire. Sa December 9 na ngayon. December 8. Pakita ko sa inyo ano mamaya. Yup, kompleto ng mga tropa, oh. Up. Sige, diretso na.
Diretso pa. Ano mas nabili niya? Hindi naman.
Baba na tayo, dito na yan. Alam ako, dito, sigurado ako dito yan.
Third floor to.
Ito. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Up. Diyan na sila. Let's go.
Ang dami naman tao.
Ito yung sabitan ng ano, pre.
Baka nawala eh.
Ano mawawala? Ano kukunin? Sabi ko na ako, yeah. Nung nakaraan taon naman, sinabit namin dito, wala namang kumuha eh. May puta. Yun. Okay, let's go. Oh, dressing room po to. Dito iniwan yung mga panlamig. What's up, D? How's it going? Hey, Dylan, do you mind to be in my video? I'm vlogging.
Sure.
Yeah. What's up? What's up? You drunk?
No.
Drunk already?
Not okay. You know
Okay.
this. We're not
Did they ID you? You're just you're 18, right? Wow, there's a lot of people in here. Ooh, moving camera. I'm with Tyrone. Hey, Tyrone.
Yeah, what's up?
Say hi to my vlog, bro.
It's going pretty good today.
Yeah.
Just going here.
How do you feel like you're start 2 days and then you're in a Christmas party?
Oh, it's actually pretty crazy.
Yeah, you took Josh's spot.
Yeah.
Where's Josh?
You got fired. What happened?
So, I'm hungry, bro. I'm starving. Oh, you remember Angela? Angela and Adet. Yeah, this Josh. Kain na. Ano yun? Ladies, girls. Up. Appetizer natin is asparagus steak, bread, squid ball. Mic test. Shout out to my friends. Kompleto na tayo.
Hello. Hey friends, how's it going tonight? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, friends.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas everyone and happy birthday. Ito yung crowd. Papakita ko lang. Oops. Hey boss, you want to say hi to my vlog?
Hi to who? What do I need to say? Other than I'm good looking, everybody know I'm good looking. Need to say that. Welcome.
Thank you.
You guys filming this right
Yeah. Ganto-ganto rin yung pwesto namin nung 2023. Kami rin magkakatabi nun. Yeah. May mga bago lang tayo mga kaibigan. Mga solid na kadabar gods natin.
Jamie pa tayo.
Oo, GMA tayo, tol. Saan na yung isa natin bisita? Ayan na, parating na. Oh. Yeah. Hi. Hi. It's a video. Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's okay. 1, 2, snap. 1, 2. Alright. Got it. Say hi.
Hello.
I'm glad you made it. Yeah, you made it. Yeah. Nalipat-lipat po sila ng upuan. Nalilikot. Nalipat-lipat. So, wala pang dinner. Ay, may tinapay pala. Kain tayo. May tinapay pala. Okay, mag-highlight tayo sa mga tao. Yeah. Maybe, say, introduce yourself. Oh, that's my mic. Just say hi.
Hello, guys. It's so nice to be here. These guys are awesome. I love to be with them.
Thank you. Alin? It's there, right?
Yes.
It's like a speaker, right? Watch. Second part is like that, right? Watch. 1, 2, boom. Just like that. It's not here. It's not here. See? Boom.
Give me another beer.
Put your like this. Watch. It's happening from your head. See that? See that?
Oh, that's magic. Can I do my work like that?
Hey, I'm doing magic.
Magic, come on, what?
Yeah. I'm doing magic to guys. So guys, this is your card, right? I usually do it with a Sharpie, but we don't have a Sharpie, right?
Okay.
So that's 8 of spade, right? So this trick, every time I snap, I'm putting your card in the
show you
middle.
in camera?
Every time I snap, it will go on the top.
Can I show you in
Okay?
camera?
You ready?
Ready.
This is the first one, okay? Watch. That should be it. That's the
What is
eight.
the bill?
No. I'll do it again. Okay, somewhere in the middle, okay? Then
Whoa, yeah.
Wow, what the fuck?
slowly. Not cheating, okay?
What the fuck?
I'll push it so you can see it's there.
See, Gus,
Right?
serious now.
I'm
Getting
counting on
serious.
this.
I don't
What?
Yes, additional
Where is the beer?
cards, right?
Where is the beer?
Scarlet.
Where's the beer?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. You cheating.
What the fuck?
No.
My reaction.
Come down.
Yeah.
Come here. Put your hands up like this. Put your hands up like this. Yeah, just like this. Yeah. Watch. It will happen in your hand. Watch. Put your hands up like this. Scarlet. Watch. Over there.
What the shit?
What the fuck, man? What the fuck? You're a demon.
No.
I was shot. Oh my god.
One more.
One more.
Magic.
Okay. Yeah,
Anyone got the Sharpie there?
There's no Sharpie, so
No Sharpies.
that's fine. Okay, here. Get a card, Ronnie.
Fuck your magic.
Just pick one. Okay. Oh.
No, look at it.
Scarlet.
No, show. You can show.
Scarlet.
Show me the number.
Show the number.
From your hand. Right? So this one right here, I'm pretty sure this is
Oh, get fucked. Get fucked.
watch.
Oh!
Yours, right? Watch. Put it there, and then we're just fine, Scarlet. I'll just borrow yours. Say stop. Stop. Here. What's your card? Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, Well. Oh my god.
By the way, guys, my name is Dawel from Promo.
Anyone from? Man. It's a nice night tonight.
Tita, bunot lang. Oh, bunot lang. Yan. So, anong percentage na black yan or red? Red or black? Tingin mo lang. Kasi
Ang feeling
50-50.
ko,
Oo.
red.
Sige, tingnan natin. Ay, galing mo. Sabihin, pwede ka magkasino. Kasi pag nag-baccarat ka, 50-50 lang yan eh. Di ba? 50-50 lang, di ba? Oo, pwede.
Nagtotogi kayo?
Tita, tandaan mo yung card mo, tita. 6 of hearts.
6.
Ngayon, lalagyan natin sa floor. Isa pa, ulitin natin. Baka tumama ka ulit, tita. Say stop. Say stop lang.
May stop?
Oo, say stop.
Stop!
Yan, ha? Okay. Ulitin natin. Baka tumama ka ulit, tita. Say stop.
Inubos na din.
Tita, ito sa susunod.
Kaya ito tanong okay.
Tita, ito susunod. Sa tingin mo, red or black?
Yung susunod,
Ito.
black.
Black. So, tita, pag inulit mo, talo ka na.
Ay, talo.
So, ito, ace. Yung isa, 6, di ba? Tignan mo, tita, yung gagawin ko, ha? Makita mo nagpalit? Bet, tignan mo. Tignan mo.
Oh, fuck!
Alas na yan.
Oh my God!
Ang galing.
Red! Ano yun?
Ang galing
Ganun yun? You're weird!
That's the best compliment.
magaling siya.
You're weird.
How did you do that?
Nice one, Ton.
How did
Thank you sa panonood ng vlog. And ito yung breakfast nila, as I promised. Ano yung? Uy, sarap. So good. Sige. Can I have a bite? Of course, right? Egg Benedict. Classic. Alright. Para siyang Cheesecake Factory breakfast. Grabe. So, salamat sa mga solid friends natin. Thank you. Hanggang sa susunod na vlog.